welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the December Allure beauty box. I absolutely love this box. I am actually kind of annoyed with the company. I ended up not getting November's box. They kept saying there was something wrong with my billing, which nothing was. It had to have been on their end. And at the end of the day, or the middle of the month, they said, well, we've ran out of time, you'll have to wait till December. So I didn't actually get a November box. And November box did look pretty dang good. So that's unfortunate. So I'm actually going to be talking about or reviewing the products that I got in the October box, since that was the last month that I actually received. So first we got the Sunday Riley Ice, what is this? Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Really liked it. It felt great on the skin. Can't complain. It was good. Would I buy it for $65? Probably not, only because it was nothing totally unique. It's just a normal cream highlighter, but it was good, and I'm happy to use it and finish it up. We also got the Bum Bum Cream, which I've had many times before. Really like it. Full size is $45. I've actually have never purchased the full size. I find that odd, only because I like it so much, but I always get these samples, so I never feel like I have to. I will say that I like the bluish green color one. It smells like buttered popcorn in the most good way. Like, it doesn't smell, I don't know how to explain it, but it just melts with my skin so nicely. This, I love the smell of it. The smell of this is probably better than that one at first smell, but the other one just syncs with my skin so well. I love it. So I would repurchase this if I ever needed to, but as of now I don't. The other thing that we got in this box was from M61 Power Gel Peel. I actually only used, you got 3 treatments, I only used 1. I really liked it. It was kind of reminded me of the Dennis Gross alpha hydroxide beta, whatever, exfoliating pads where you get like the 2, you know, it's like a double foil packet that you use one and then you use the other. It's a lot like that. Obviously only has 1 packet with it, but I did like the way it feels. I don't think you'll get much of a opinion about this, only getting 3 treatments. But again, it felt nice, it didn't break me out, didn't make my skin sensitive, so that is always nice. So would I spend $30 for 10 treatments? Possibly. If I was able to really see a difference after these next 2 uses, maybe, but I really like the Dr. Dennis Gross ones, so I don't know. Alright, the next thing in my box that I had received was from Model Co. It was the Trio. This retails for $13. Don't really care for this. All of the colors kind of have some type shimmer or satin finish to it. I really need at least 1 matte. Whether I use it or not, I like to have the choice of having a matte, and because of that, I probably will never pull for this. I'll probably pass this on to my daughters just because I don't want to have this with another palette. I just find like I'm just not going to do it. I won't pull for it. So I'll probably just pass this along to my girls. The next thing that we got was from Kelp's Mineral Bath Dream Away. I love this. I actually went on Amazon to purchase it. It is kind of expensive. This says it's $20, and I believe the $20 is only for 5 baths, if I remember right, which... I really like it enough that I probably would consider repurchasing it for that much, which so much. But what I loved about it is, and maybe I'll post a picture here if I can find it, because I know I took one. It turned my bath, and it smells so good. I can totally still smell it. It turned my bath water completely blue. Like again, I hope I still have that picture. I'll post it. Such a dark blue color, which made it kind of fun to take a bath. But the smell alone is amazing. I mean, I don't even know what that is. It just says it has essential oils in it. It smells so good. I don't know what it is, but I would definitely recommend at least trying that. The next thing that we got was from also Model Co. And it is this like liquid liner, liquid eyeshadow in Granite. I have to admit, I only used this one time. I used it as a liner. It is just a black, so it's something that I'm just not going to use, unfortunately. Was it bad? No, but it wasn't good enough that I was like, oh yeah, I really want to buy the new one, or the full size. And full size, I believe, is $9. So it's definitely not expensive, but it's just not something that I would use. So, and then the last thing we got, which I think was just like a throw-in extra gift, were these eye drops from Lumify. I have used these before and they are pretty good. They're not my favorite eye drops. I definitely don't see a huge difference when I use these, but they're fine. I'll use them up. So that's not a waste of a product. That was everything that I received in the October Allure box. So now let's open up this one. As you can see, the lid is barely hanging on. So when you open it up, you get the little pamphlet on top and the products are just underneath a little bit of tissue paper. So let's see what we got. If I can. All right. The first thing that we received is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Bohemian. It's actually in a very dark wine type. I don't know, it's not working. So I wish it was a lighter color. I believe like this is a really good fall type color. Actually, it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more of a burgundy. So that is, I guess, kind of nice. You could have gotten either Bohemian or Trust Issues. I'm not sure which one is which. As far as the color here, mine seems to be a little bit too light to be that color. So maybe the other one is more of a burgundy. These retail for $20. I do like this formulation. I feel like it's really good. So it is a little bit drying, but I feel like it lasts on your lips. So I'll definitely give that color a try out and hopefully I'll like it. The next thing I received was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is actually the brow gel that I use. I've been using it for probably 5 or 6 years. I won't ever stray from it. It just works so well. Full size is 22. The next thing we got was either going to be the FabFitFun First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Soothing Priming Moisturizer, which I have tried. I do really like, but I actually got the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, which I would have preferred only because I swear I just got that primer in, I don't even know what I got it in, but maybe it was a Sephora, but I just received it. So I'm happy to have gotten this. I have tried this before. I think they have great face moisturizers. They work well for my skin, so this will definitely get a lot of use. I believe this is full size, and full size for this is $24, which again, so far we've gotten such a high value in this box, being that it's only like $16 and change because you do pay taxes on it. All right, the next thing I got is from Christopher Robin. You could have gotten this, or you could have gotten Away texturizing hairspray, which I probably would have preferred, but that's okay. This is a scrub, cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So I wonder if this is for, this is for shampoo. That's so weird. It's a shampoo scrub for your head, obviously. Ooh, it smells really good. I don't know what that smell is. Christopher Robin, I've never heard of it. They say you could get a full size of this at Sephora. I would hope this is not full size, but maybe I'll put here if it is or not. $53. Again, I hope this isn't full size. I've never actually used an exfoliating head shampoo, so that will be interesting to try out. And then the last thing in our box, which is what most people were excited about, is the Anastasia highlighting palette in Moonchild. So I was gonna say the problem, there's no problem. The thing is, I already own this. So I'm actually not gonna open it. I'm probably gonna do a giveaway. So I don't wanna really, obviously, open it up and contaminate it. But in this picture, as you can see, you get tons of nice colors. This is actually in my decluttering box for right now, only because I just don't pull for her highlighters ever. This has actually made me want to pull it out. So again, a reason of why I don't get rid of what I plan on decluttering because of that. This retails for $40. I think it's great. So the problem that I had was this dark purples, or blue if you want to call them, I would never wear. These 4 colors are very pretty. I just wasn't pulling the palette, which is the only reason that I was going to declutter it. But like I said, I think I'm gonna pull it out, try it now that I see this to kind of refresh my interest. But I'll definitely do a giveaway soon, and one of you guys can try this out since I already own it. That was everything in the December Allure box. Quite a good box and a box of value for this month. Let me know if you get this box and if you got all the same things I did. I would love to know what the other lip color is, because maybe it would have been better or worse, but I don't really care for this color. It's kind of it's not red, it's not pink. I don't know. When you think of bohemian, I think of very natural. I mean, they like to wear like, aren't they just very natural people? I don't know. So bohemian, I feel like should be a natural color, not that. So anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.